step into the Nissan 2017 Versa Sedan S Plus. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are graphite blue, L92, carpeted floor and trunk mats, 5-piece, charcoal cloth seat trim, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, front disc rear drum brakes, brake assist and wheel covers. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.